Okay, this is Module 4, Skills Test 1. This is about Kepler's second law. And this one's actually very, very straightforward. What you're seeing is when you pull the activity up, you're going to see a planet orbiting around a star, counterclockwise. And you have to answer a couple of questions. Questions 1 and 2 are very, very straightforward. In fact, they're all straightforward. Notice the only one that's slightly more complicated is question number 3. And there you have some drop downs where you're supposed to describe the planet's speed during these different segments. So notice, from say E to H. What that means is from E to H, so we find position E, and then all through here, which of these descriptors best match that section of the planet's orbit. So it's very, very straightforward skills test.